Let's go to the Marhaba Lounge sa Terminal 1 for free with your credit card. Cheat sheet will be at the end of this video. Show your boarding pass at saka yung credit card mo, yun lang yon. Ito po lahat ng mga food na nandyan. May mga snacks. Morning ako pumunta dito. May mga sandwiches, cereals, meron fruit cocktail, tapos of course, arroz caldo, and some warm food here. So in fairness naman, enough naman yung pagkain. Hindi marami, but okay na. Diba libre naman. May drinks at saka may ice cream pa siya. And itong mga sandwiches na to, inuwi ko yung some of two sandwiches. Tapos kumuha rin ako ng coffee. So guys, yes, beans po talaga yan. So hindi po yan instant coffee. So kahit pa paano, libreng coffee, di ba? Masarap. And then here's the view. The view will be the runway. So makita mo mga lilipad, landing ng mga airplanes. And then you will have some seats inside. It's not as big, but it's not super crowded. So here's the cheat sheet. Ito po yung mga credit cards na may libreng access dito. So if ever you have these credit cards, use it. And of course, don't forget my promo codes. Yun lang.